every cook knows, nothing makes prepping and mixing your favorite recipes quicker and easier than using a high-quality stand mixer. And now, thanks to the best name in the business, you can simply and efficiently handle the heaviest mixing tasks with the newest stand mixer from Cuisinart. This powerful 500-watt stand mixer is made of sturdy die-cast metal construction and has 12 mixing speeds for superior precision. The tilt-back head allows for easy access to the mixing bowl, and the included splash guard makes it easy to add ingredients even during operation. The Cuisinart stand mixer comes with 3 accessories: a chef's whisk, dough hook, and flat mixing paddle that all operate with whisper-quiet performance. This machine goes beyond the typical cookies and mashed potatoes, including fluffy creams, whole wheat pasta and pizza dough, and spicy guacamole. There's no end to the convenient solutions this stand mixer delivers. And when your kitchen creativity requires it, you can easily add any of Cuisinart's easy-to-use attachments, like the pasta extruder, dessert maker, or meat grinder. The generous 5.5-quart work bowl comes in polished stainless steel and features an easy grip handle. Make up to 6 cups of cream, process 6 cups of flour, or even 5 dozen cookies. And save time cleaning up, as the bowl, paddle, and dough hook are 100% dishwasher safe. The stand mixer comes in silver, white, or red and is backed by a 3-year warranty. Why wait to simplify your cooking and baking food preparation? Bring home classic cooking convenience with the new Cuisinart stand mixer.
Hi, my name is Amanda Oakleaf. I am owner, head baker, decorator of Amanda Oakleaf Cakes in Winthrop, Massachusetts, where we do cupcakes, custom cakes, wedding cakes, birthday cakes, anything you can think of, we can make it into a cake. And today I will be talking to you about baking cupcakes. We're going to start with room temperature butter, 5 1/3 ounces. We're going to add it to a 6-quart mixer. A 5-quart would work as well, with a paddle attachment. And you want to mix it and beat it until it's light and fluffy, so there's a lot of air incorporated into it. So 2 cups of sugar. And we also have 1/3 cup of oil. The butter gives the cake flavor and the oil keeps it moist. And while that's going, we're going to heat up our coffee. So we have a cup of water, and once it boils up, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of coffee grind, instant coffee, and that'll give the chocolate cake a really nice flavor. Scrape it down, make sure all the butter is incorporated. And while that's going, we can also get our dry ingredients ready. We have 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. To that, we're going to add a cup of cocoa and a teaspoon of salt and baking powder. And our cocoa we have is Dutch processed cocoa, so it already is processed with alkali. So we don't need baking soda, we just have extra baking powder. So you want to whisk it together, get rid of any big lumps. Okay, you can set that aside. And once the butter and the sugar is nice and fluffy, we're going to add almond and vanilla extract, a teaspoon of each. The almond gives it that extra flavor, really enhances the chocolate. Next are the eggs. We got 2 eggs. You want to do 1 at a time. And once the coffee's hot, we can turn it off, add our tablespoon of instant coffee, give it a stir. After the eggs are in, we can turn it down to low, and we're going to add our flour and the milk. We have 1 cup of milk, and you want to alternate the flour and the milk in 3 or 4 additions. A little bit of flour, a little bit of milk. Once you get to the last one, you can stop the mixer, scrape it down, make sure there's no butter and sugar stuck on the bottom. So it's pretty thick right now, but we're going to add the hot coffee, and that will thin it out. So on low, you want to just add a steady stream of the coffee. Okay. And you just want to mix until smooth. You don't want to over mix it. Give it 1 more scrape down, get everything off the side of the bowl. And I like to use an ice cream scooper, and it's a 2-ounce ice cream scooper. If you don't have one, you can also use a 1/4 cup measuring cup. And you can fill it pretty full. A heaping scoop is good. And this much batter should make about 2 dozen cupcakes. Okay. Clean off the pan so that extra doesn't burn. We're gonna put them in the oven on 325. So after 12 to 15 minutes is up, we can take our cupcakes out of the oven. You want to check them with a toothpick to see if they're done. Stick a toothpick right in the middle of the cupcake, and if any crumbs come out, that's okay, as long as you don't have any liquid batter. If it's liquidy batter, then you want to throw it back in the oven for another 2 to 3 minutes. That's how you make chocolate cupcakes.
Hi, I'm Elise for Hamilton Beach. This 4-quart stand mixer is designed for hands-free mixing for a wide variety of foods, ranging from light and airy egg whites to sticky bread dough. A powerful 300-watt motor is great for everyday mixing and can handle thick cookie dough and whipped cream in no time. Planetary mixing action gives complete bowl coverage. The mixing head spins as it rotates completely inside the bowl, giving better mixing than traditional 2-beater stand mixers. This mixing action reduces the need to stop and scrape ingredients from the side of the bowl, saving you time. 7 speeds give you maximum versatility and precise control at every speed. Adding ingredients while preparing a recipe is easy. The head tilts up out of the way for bowl access. Non-slip feet keep the mixer still while in use, and the splatter shield guards against messy drips, drops, and spills. Attachments include a non-stick flat beater, dough hook, and whisk. All attachments, as well as the stainless steel 4-quart mixing bowl, are dishwasher safe for fast cleanup. Mix to your heart's content with the Hamilton Beach Stand Mixer. Now that's good thinking.